Paid memberships have grown exponentially recently, as people are looking for more ways to support the creators they love and connect with like-minded people in meaningful communities. And the best part is, it's never been easier for an entrepreneur or creator to launch a paid membership. And while you could just sign up for a platform that will do it for you, the most creative and ambitious creators are using no-code tools to build their memberships and communities from scratch. And it's a whole lot easier than you think. In this video, we'll walk you through what you need to know about building a no-code membership website. Step 1. Decide what you're going to offer your members. This will help you determine which tool to select. Are you planning on hosting exclusive events? Are you going to be offering online courses or masterclasses? How about bonus content like podcast episodes or videos? And aside from what you'll be offering the members, think about what they might bring to the table for each other. The most lucrative and sustainable membership businesses all involve a community. That's because the members connect with each other, contribute to the value of the membership, and it means it's not just about the entrepreneur or creator churning out content. You become the facilitator of the magic, not the sole provider of it. Step 2. Choose your no-code tool. Think about the overhead you want to manage and what you'll be offering your members. For instance, if you just want to send an exclusive newsletter to your subscribers, that's not really a membership. It's something you can do with a tool like Substack. And that's great. It's one tool that does something really specific, so there's not much else for you to manage. But let's say you have bigger ambitions and you want a community that's exclusive to your members and the ability to add things like subgroups, private events, different tiers of membership, online courses, and more. You can start with the community piece and look at things like Facebook groups, but it's not really a no-code tool that lets you customize things and really own your audience. And you can't charge for access without plugging in a whole bunch of different tools. In fact, that's the risk with no-code. You may suddenly find yourself with logins and subscriptions to a dozen different platforms if you choose no-code tools that only do one specific thing. Your website on one, your payment on another, your community on another, your course on another. It all adds up to a lot of money and a big headache for you and your members too. Which means the best choice for a no-code membership site is an all-in-one platform like Mighty Networks. It has a community at the center of it, and it has events, memberships, courses, and more all built in. One platform to manage for you and your members, and it'll scale with your growth and creativity. Step 3. Speaking of creativity, Step 3 is all about marketing your membership. First, you want to put your best face forward. Choose a no-code tool like Mighty Networks that leaves tons of room for customization. Pick your colors, upload your logo, and create a beautiful landing page that tells your story. Then think about who your first members should be. Remember, this is about a membership that's powered by community. The first people you invite are going to help you set the tone. To get the ball rolling, take a look at your best customers, your most engaged patrons, your most active followers on social media. Find a few signals that suggest that these are the people who are ready to go on this ride with you. Once you have your founding members, consider creating a referral program. Some no-code tools, like Mighty Networks, have it built in. Then your best members can bring on more members, and so on and so on. You've unlocked a community network effect, which means the membership becomes more valuable with each person who joins and contributes. So, to recap, figure out exactly what you're going to offer your members, find a no-code tool that offers exactly that without adding additional cost or integrations, customize your site and invite your founding members, and then activate your network effect to grow a sustainable, recurring revenue business. You can take all those steps today without knowing how to code by visiting mightynetworks.com and starting your free 14-day trial.